Good afternoon, guys. Hey, I wanted to make this video, show you the next truck in the lineup. This is a special truck. This truck has a name, and it's called Christine. Why is it called Christine? Well, you can probably go back on the Slick 60's web pages and look up the story about this truck. But in a nutshell, when my buddy built this, it had a 460, fuel injected 460 automatic. And the first time they started it up, it pinned Dave's son against the wall in the garage, full throttle. Broke both his legs, his hip, his arm, and just about damn well killed him. And Dave kept this truck. And Dave worked on this truck quite a bit. It was a complete truck the first time I saw it, and now you can see it is not. But that is okay. We're gonna make it a whole truck again. That right there is a Ford 4.6 liter. And behind that is a manual 5-speed transmission. Speedway motors, disc brakes. It has a Nostalgia SIDS 3-inch dropped axle in the front. Okay. So check this out. The frame has been Z'd, which means this section of the frame has been lifted higher than that. It has posy springs in the front. It has vintage air. This is gonna be a ratty ass looking, mean, nasty, fast truck when it is done. And I have to tell you that today, a year ago, I lost my buddy Dave. And that was really hard. And I vow that I'm gonna get these trucks going. It's gonna happen. This truck's been lowered, of course. It has a early Mustang tank. Has a disc brake rear end already. Still needs a ton of work. Tons of work. But it's gonna get done. Okay. Can hear my neighbors having fun on their new motorcycles and quads. Okay, guys, this is the next truck. This truck is mine. It says 63, as per the grill, 63. Boy, that's dirty. Look at that. Oh. Redmond headers, a Y block, the big intake, 4-barrel intake, carburetor. I drove this truck for about 6 months. I did a lot of work to it. Dual pot master cylinder for front disc brakes. Now these trucks didn't come with front disc brakes, but I put disc brakes on this thing, and I'm the first guy to ever do it, and I'm pretty proud of that. So there you go, disc brakes on a straight axle on an F250. They make kits for the F100's, and you know what? I think they make kits for the F250's, but I did this like 10 years ago. This truck is in pretty nice condition. It has the wrong bed which some of you know what the wrong bed is in these trucks. Ford used the 57 to 60 beds on the 61 to 63 trucks. Why? Because the unibody trucks were a flop. Nobody wanted them. This body is not going to stay on this two-wheel drive frame, because right here is a 1965 F250 four-wheel drive frame. So the body behind me is going to go on this chassis. Dana 60 rear end, Dana 24 transfer case. Oh, Dana 44 front. Oh, no, wait. Dana 44 high pinion disc brake front end. Okay. All these trucks need tons and tons of work. I haven't been out here in years and years and years. But we're gonna get them done. And this coming year is gonna be a great year. Check out that cowl induction hood. That is a one-of-one hood. I don't believe anybody else has one. So find me another. Guys, this one has a spotlight up here. It's a pretty cool old truck, man. I love these things. So that's what we're doing today. Looking at the trucks, crawling through the spider webs. Disc brake rear end. Over here is the 306. It's going to go in the four-wheel drive. Has a ZF 5-speed to go behind it. So that's I think that wraps up the trucks that I have. And I hope you guys watch. I hope you subscribe. Some of you are going to notice. You're going to notice right away that the content on my channel changed. All the age-restricted stuff is gone. And I'm really hoping that some of you that might have unsubscribed will hit me up again. There we go. Garb's Garage. Dave Garber, my brother, you will never be forgotten. And I miss you, and I love you. You guys have a great day. Thanks.